Welcome to our channel, where we explore the secrets to wealth creation and financial freedom. As we begin, let's define what wealth creation means. Wealth creation is the process of generating and accumulating wealth over time. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a system that generates wealth consistently. So, what's the secret to wealth creation? Is it investing in stocks or real estate? Is it starting a business or working a high-paying job? The answer is, it's all of these and more. The secret to wealth creation is having a wealth mindset. It's about understanding how wealth is created and taking consistent action to achieve your financial goals. Let's explore the 4 principles of wealth creation. These principles are timeless and universal, and they've been used by wealthy individuals throughout history. The first principle of wealth creation is that wealth is a mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs about money and wealth determine your financial reality. If you have a poverty mindset, you'll struggle to create wealth. But if you have a wealth mindset, you'll attract wealth and abundance into your life. The second principle of wealth creation is to invest in yourself. Your education and personal development are key to creating wealth. The more you know, the more you can earn. Invest in courses, books, and seminars that help you develop new skills and knowledge. The third principle of wealth creation is to live below your means. Spending more than you earn is a recipe for financial disaster. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid debt and live frugally. The fourth principle of wealth creation is to invest wisely. Investing is a key component of wealth creation. But not all investments are created equal. Do your research and invest in assets that have a high potential for growth. Now that we've explored the 4 principles of wealth creation, let's talk about how to apply them in your life. The key is to take consistent action towards your financial goals. Start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or retire early? Once you have clear goals, create a plan to achieve them. The plan should include investing in yourself, living below your means, investing wisely, and building multiple income streams. It should also include a timeline for achieving your goals and a system for tracking your progress. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, patience, and persistence. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be immense. In conclusion, wealth creation is not just about making money, it's about creating a life of purpose and fulfillment. By applying the 4 principles of wealth creation, you can unlock the secret to wealth creation and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.